For us as a nation and the world to achieve our big sustainability goals, we need to ensure that finance, that is our banks, our super funds, our insurers, are all directing their investments and lending in a way that's going to build an economy that fits within that sustainable future. If finance continues to invest like they have in the last decades, we simply won't achieve these objectives. So our job in the Sustainable Finance Hub is to help the industry to shift, to change its practices, to change the area it's lending to, invest into, to ensure we create that sustainable, prosperous world for our future. Hi, I'm Simon O'Connor. I am recently appointed Director of the Sustainable Finance Hub. I work within the Melbourne Climate Futures and together with other parts of the university, including Melbourne Biodiversity Institute, the Faculty of Law and Faculty of Business and Economics. The Sustainable Finance Hub is set up to work across the university, but really importantly with industry and regulators and government. We want to work with partners who are invested in creating this sustainable future. Despite a lot of progress, we've not yet overcome some of those major structural barriers that sit within law, within regulation, within the practices of finance that is really unlocking capital and investment on the scale and at the pace that we need it. So our job is to really hasten and bring forward that investment at a much greater level. The work that we have lined up is very impact and action orientated. We want to change the regulatory environment. We want to change the practices of industry. Currently, finance really doesn't place any value on the future by the way it's structured its tools, its valuation, the way it prices goods. So we think there's work to do around the way finance tools are used. We think also there's parts of the economy that simply aren't being financed that must be financed if we're to achieve a sustainable future. That is emerging markets, that is Aboriginal enterprises, that is preservation and conservation of nature. Many areas that need more work to ensure finance is flowing to the types of businesses and assets that are needed for a sustainable future. So what we see is a real opportunity to move the dial for finance in Australia. We know the finance sector here, superannuation funds and banks, they want to be deploying more money towards sustainable companies and assets, but there are barriers. We really want to work with all those partners to break apart those barriers so that capital starts flowing in the direction it needs to go. We really see a bright future where investments are delivering really strong returns for all Australians through their superannuation funds and are creating a world that we all want to retire into that's flourishing, prosperous, sustainable and cleaner for us all. We can do this through the Sustainable Finance Hub and working together with our partners to create that future.